Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK class. Today, we are going to start our new topic about famous sites. Now, all of you, take out your GK book, page number 14. Now, put classwork and today's date here. Now, what you have to do? You have to write the names of these famous places of India. These famous places are located in India. Now you have to write these famous sites or famous places name. Pick up the names from the clue box. These pictures names are here. Now you have to find the correct one and you have to write below the picture. So let's start our work. First see the clue box and repeat after me. LOTUS lotus, TEMPLE temple, lotus temple. TAJ Taj, MAHL mahal, Taj Mahal. QUTUB kutub, MIME NAR nar, Kutub Minar. GATE gate, WAY way, gateway. OF of INDIA India, gateway of India. INDIA India, GATE gate, India gate. CHAR char, MINAR minar, Char Minar. Now these are the places names. You have to write the correct one below the picture. So this famous place is called Gateway of India. Now write Gateway, GATE, gate. WAY way, gateway of India. INDIA India, gateway of India. Now the next picture is Taj Mahal. So write TAJ Taj, MAHAL Mahal, Taj Mahal. Next one is, this famous place is India Gate. So INDIA India, GATE gate, India Gate. This one is Lotus Temple. So LOTUS, Lotus Temple, TEMPLE temple, Lotus Temple. This is Kutub Minar. So QUTUB, Kutub Minar, 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 Kutub Minar. And the next one is Char Minar, CHAR, Char, MINAR, Minar, Char Minar. So these all are the place of India. Now, for your information, we will write exactly the place where these famous sites are located. So, Gateway of India is located in Mumbai city. So, write in a bracket Mumbai, MUMBAI, Mumbai. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So write A-G-R-A-Ra, Agra inside the bracket. Means these places are located in Agra and this Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Now, India Gate. India Gate is located in New Delhi. So write New D-E-L-H-I, Delhi, New Delhi. Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is located in Delhi. So write Delhi. Qutub Minar is located in Delhi. D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. And this Char Minar is located in Hyderabad. H-Y, High, D-E, the, R-A-Ra, Hydra, B-A-D, Bad, Hyderabad. Have you done, children? So, this famous place, Gateway of India, is located in Mumbai. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. India Gate is located in New Delhi. Lotus Temple is located in Delhi. Qutub Minar is located in Delhi. And this Char Minar is located in Hyderabad. Now go to the next page. The topic is I love my India. What is the name of your country? Our country name is India. See, the first question is the name of my country is India. So write here India, I-N-D-I-A, India. Next one, the name of my city is Kolkata, K-O-L, K-A-T-A, Kolkata. The name of my state is West, W-E-S-T, West Bengal, B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal, West Bengal. The colors of our national flag are, see the picture of our national flag. How many colors are here? There are 3 colors. This one is saffron, this is white, and the below one is green. So what are the colors? Saffron, S-A-F-F-R-O-N, saffron. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. And green, G-R-E-E-N, green. So the colors are saffron, white, and green. The next question is, our national anthem is, what is your national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. So G-A-N-A, Jana, J-A-N-A, Jana, G-A-N-A, Gana, M-A-N-A, Mana. Jana Gana Mana. Now, repeat after me, children. Who is he? He is our Prime Minister and his name is Narendra Modi. So, Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India in 2014 and in 2019 again. He became the Prime Minister of India in 2 times, in 2014 and in 2019. 2 times he became the Prime Minister of India and he is our present Prime Minister. Next one is Only China has more people living in it than India. China has more people than India. Now, the next question is the name of. You have to write the name. The governor of your state. What is the name of your state? Your state name is West Bengal. And in West Bengal, our governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. So write all of you Jagdeep, J-A-G, Jag, D-E-E-P, Jagdeep Dhankar, D-H-A-N-K-H-A-R, Dhankar, D-H-A-N-K-H-A-R. Jagdeep Dhankar is our governor. Next one is the chief minister of your state. The chief minister is Mamata Banerjee. So M-A-M-A-T-A, Mamata, B-A-N-E-R-J-E-E, Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is our chief minister. So today, till this much, children, you have to learn all these at home. So thank you and have a nice day.